Are you in South Sudan and looking to dive into the world of crypto but don't know where to start? I'm both from Naath Tech Studios, and today I'm showing you exactly how to set up your Binance account right here at home. First, what is Binance? It's the world's largest crypto exchange. Think of it as a digital marketplace where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or USDT. For us in South Sudan, it's a powerful tool for global transactions and protecting your value. Step 1. Download the Binance app or go to Binance.com. Step 2. Sign up using your email or phone number. Pro tip: use an active email you check often. Step 3. Create a strong password. Use numbers and symbols, keep your funds safe. Now, the most important part: KYC identity verification. To use all features, you'll need to upload a clear photo of your government ID. Binance supports South Sudanese passports and national IDs. Make sure the lighting is good so the system can verify you quickly. Once verified, look into the P2P peer-to-peer section. This is how many of us buy USDT locally using mobile money or bank transfers. It's fast and built for our market. That's it. You're officially on the grid. If you found this helpful, hit that follow button and join the Naath Tech community for more digital solutions. Let's build the future one block at a time.